Okay, I'm going to show what the UST Pack A Long stove kit comes with and why you should get it and why I bought it. First, the top. So, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's like one of these. It's so you can like, of course, I'm going to put like a little in it. It comes with a UST branded isopropyl canister holder, let's just say. It comes with this, which I believe you can use to, if you can put water in it, or use the eat out of, I guess. I have no idea. It comes with a bag, its own little bag, which is nice. This is surprisingly very light. By the way, I added this to it so I could have something. Have like, it's a stove kit, so yeah. Now, I'm kind of not a fan of this. Wait, let me get, let's see. Hold on. Fan of like this or whatever. Actually, let me just do this second. But it's, that's how light it is, by the way. Oh wow, nice. Now I'm a fan of it. You can do that, which is nice. Okay. Let me show you the reason oh god, the selling point for me. You know how like you hear this stove, this stove, this stove. You know, you can get an adapter for it for your pots and pans. Comes with it. Yeah. This comes with it. And it's basically the same as you would expect. It's, it fits pretty nice though. So, this is and this was cheaper than the jet boils. 70 something bucks. It's actually cheaper if you get on Amazon. You can get it from the UST website, but it's 80. And this is literally the reason why I got this, because this came with it, and I knew I was going to use this, for, well, let me just say, my light ahead, kit, and the, I get both of them. I don't know if this book bag is right here, I believe, yeah. Because I knew I was going to be using, my little cheapo Ozark Troll thing, mess kit. And my more impressive, light ahead thing. Now, as y'all know, this comes with a fork, knife, spoon, and a spork. It comes with a carabiner for, I don't know. It's like, comes with two, I think a pot and a pan. And a few other things. So, yeah. But yeah, this is the reason I actually got it, to be honest. This was the selling point for me, because I wanted this. I wanted something like this. It's kind of expensive for the Jetboil one. Oh, also, yes, it comes with this too. It's one of these. I can get it out. It's a basic one. Oh, and it has... Oh yeah, I forgot it has that. Yeah. And it has this too. The thing that makes this light easier, I think. I don't know. But yeah, I know I have jet boils, and I know I have the Sterno Inferno, which is actually another one I'll be using. Yeah. Yes, I made this into a kit with camp soap, the light duty thingy, scrubber, and my Trangia stove. So I refuse to use the, whatchamacallit. But yeah, honestly, if you're looking for a stove kit that has the thing for the pots and pans, go UST Pack A Long stove kit. And it's a good price, actually. By the way, it has these two in here, so don't scratch inside of this. I'm assuming it does scratch pretty easily. This is very light, as you can see. So yeah. And that's why I bought this. Really. Because one, it came with this. I saw it came with this, I was like, I like that. And if need be, I can use this, which it says I have OCD pretty much, so I can just do that. This is I think the UST 24 ounce thing. I don't know. I don't know how. It doesn't tell me, but I can use this because it has a high, whatever with this. But I'll probably just end up using this whole thing because if I'm gonna be doing a little. And I'm not going to want to have to carry this around. Especially if it's going to get like that in my bag. And I'll be like, ugh. But yeah. And we all, as I put this back in, all this stuff back in. Honestly, closing thoughts is, I would buy it. It's like 70-something bucks on Amazon when I got it. And I think it still is, I'm not sure. I also want to sign this to grow my hair out, because... Right. Oh, and by the way, it does have a... lock thing, so it's nice. It's the same quality as the Jet Boy one, to be honest. Just, seriously, these pan holders, or base, or the adapters, or whatever, they're the same thing. Honestly. Same quality. Yeah. There's no point in me doing it. And it goes in pretty easy too. Now I have this in here too because, by the way, not ever using this. Probably using this. Not using this. It's useless. Also, what I did for my EDC, real quick. Solar cord. Yeah. I've been using the knife port of this. Yeah. I love it. So anyway. If y'all like, thumbs up. Subscribe. Comment, hit the notification bell, do all that. Anyway. Actually, let me just get this in the bag first. Anyway, and yeah. It is USC branded bag. You could probably put another, little thing in here, to be honest. You don't do that. Oh, and it has the thing for it has the side thing. Anyway, y'all, as I'm getting this in, I'm in the video. Peace.